Hello everyone, and welcome to our 10th episode of YaEat. I'm really glad to have you here. Welcome back. Today we'll be making sauteed red snapper with Vongole clams and black mussels. It also has shallots, garlic, teardrop tomatoes, and white wine, clam juice, and butter, but we could leave that out if you like, but I like to put the butter in. Are you ready to make some awesome red snapper? Here we go. We started with a fillet of red snapper and cut it in half, 1 pound of Vongole clams, 1 dozen fresh black mussels, half a cup of all-purpose flour, 1½ dozen of teardrop tomatoes, some fresh basil, 2 ounces of butter, salt and pepper, extra virgin olive oil, 2 garlic cloves, 2 shallots, 1 cup of clam juice, 2 ounces of dry white wine, 2 ounces of fresh parsley. Okay, we'll start by adding the olive oil to the pan and heating that up. We are going to start with a decent amount of olive oil, and then we'll discard some later. While the oil is heating up, we will do some prep. We'll cut the cherry tomatoes in half. If the oil heats up too quickly, just pull it off the heat. We just got a little more prep to do. We're going to cut our garlic in half and do like a half moon slice. We'll do the same thing with the shallot. Okay, we can put our pan back on the heat. You can start dredging the snapper in the flour that I pre-seasoned with salt and pepper. You want to make sure your fish is completely covered in flour and shake off the excess flour. Place the snapper fillet in the oil away from your body with the skin side up. You also want to make sure that you checked for bones and scales. They will do this for you at the fish market. You just have to double check their work. After a couple minutes and the fish is lightly browned, you want to flip it over. I discarded some oil and added the garlic to the pan. You want to be very careful when flipping the fish. You may want to use a spatula. It is very sensitive at this point. We'll add the shallots and the tomatoes. We'll cook the fish to about 80% and then we will remove them from the pan. Let's continue to cook the shallots, garlic, and tomatoes together until they get a nice brownish color, and then we will add some salt and pepper, and then we'll deglaze the pan with the white wine. And you can now add your clam juice and your Vongole clams. You could add the butter to the pan now. I tested all these clams by clicking them together. You can tell by the sound. If they make a hollow sound, you can discard them. Let's add the mussels to the pan and cover. My nephew created this doodle of me. Google Espo's Doodles and get your personalized doodle today. Okay, so while we're waiting for the clams and mussels to open, I chopped up some parsley. We'll toss it around and make a little room for them to open up. When about 70% of the clams and mussels are open, we could add the fish back to the sauce. You could remove some of the clams and mussels to make room for the snapper. We need to submerge this fish into the sauce and cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes. By then, the sauce will have reduced a little bit and all your clams and mussels will have opened. You can do a little taste test and finish off with salt and pepper if needed. Oh my God, this smells so good. We're almost done. We're just going to finish it off with some fresh basil. I'm just going to toss that right on top. We're not even going to mix it in. And then we'll put a little fresh parsley as well. Time to plate it up. So we're going to use a spatula and be very careful. This was a 7-ounce snapper fillet, and this was more than enough food for me. But this would go really well with linguine. I'm just saying. This was delicious. And yummy. Red Snapper with Vongole clams and mussels. YaEat, you want to eat? Make this recipe. What? What did you expect?
Somebody's got to wash up.
It's only a one-man show. Hey, I know I see you watching this video. Can we please get a like and a subscription? Thank you. Chef Dave will come to your house and cater your personal party for 20 people and under. Go to YaEat.tv/contact and we'll get back to you. This episode was brought to you by our friend over at Carpentry Innovations. Contact Steve if you're renovating your kitchen or bathroom or finishing your basement. And if you live in the northern New Jersey area.
Hell, you ain't been hungry
Since the last time you watched YaEat.
You're crazy. What else is new?
Teardrop tomatoes, white wine. It would also have some white wine and, well, either way, we're going to get that going.